Hello guys, welcome back to Ziglo Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Meta AI not showing on Instagram. So recently some people have been facing some kind of issue whereby they can't actually access their Meta AI on Instagram, right? Just like this, as you can see up there. Some people can't find theirs. It's as a result of bulk issues sometimes, so you just have to clear up your cache, right? So I'm going to show you how to fix that problem, right? You go to your phone settings and go down to apps and search for Instagram and open that up. Then you scroll down to storage and clear up the cache and also clear up the data so that you'll be able to log in back into that account. Yeah, so after doing that and it still persists, you can now go to your Play Store and check if your Instagram has any updates. So you'd have to update the app. So mine don't have any updates, but if yours have, you have to click on updates to allow it to update. Then from there, after updating the app, you can now try to log out from your Instagram account and log into your Instagram account again. So click on that three horizontal line, go down and see log out. So you have to log out from the account and log in back. So after doing that, it's going to show. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.